Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for live trading. First, understand that TradingView isn't a broker itself, but it connects to many popular ones. This integration allows you to execute trades directly from your charts. You'll need an active brokerage account that supports this feature. We'll walk through the steps to link your account and start trading efficiently. This setup streamlines your workflow, keeping all your analysis and execution in one place. To connect your broker, look for the Trading Panel tab at the bottom of your chart interface. Click on it, and you'll see a list of supported brokers. Find your broker and click Connect. You'll then be prompted to log in with your brokerage account credentials. This process securely links your TradingView account to your live trading account, allowing for seamless order execution. Always ensure you are logging into your actual broker's secure portal. Once connected, placing a trade is straightforward. You can use the dedicated order panel or simply right-click on the chart at your desired entry point. Choose your order type, such as market, limit, or stop order. Input the quantity, price, and any stop loss or take profit levels. Always double-check all the details before confirming the order. This ensures your trade parameters are exactly as intended before execution through your linked brokerage account. Managing your open positions and pending orders is simple within the trading panel. You can see all your active trades, their profit or loss, and easily modify or close them directly from the chart or the panel itself. This integrated approach gives you full control over your live trading activities without switching platforms. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy trading and smart prepping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.